Welcome to the National Bowling Academy. My name is Dan Triske. I'm a USBC certified silver level coach. Along with me today is Doug O'Brien. Doug is also a USBC certified silver level coach, along with being a PBA 50 member and a certified ball driller. Today, Doug and I are going to talk about Eileen's bowling buddies and using them as a training tool. Today we have the swing trainer and we have the alignment trainer. Doug, you want to talk a little bit about what the swing trainer is going to do for us today?
Well, Dan, the swing trainer possibly could be my favorite bowling tool. I'm an advocate of a straight arm swing. This trainer will absolutely help you to get a straight arm swing back and forth. The alignment tool will also help you along with the swing trainer to get the arm swing straight. So by far one of my favorite teaching tools.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to have Doug and his daughter Annalise, who is a 2018 Junior Gold Girls U15 champion, along with the Team USA member, demonstrate how these products are used.
Now we have Annalise out here for our exhibition of the swing trainer. What I want to show you first is the proper position of the arm for a straight arm swing. Annalise, if you'd get in position, please. What I like to see is the elbow turned in, which keeps the hand inside the ball at all times, so that when we push the ball away, we lock the arm, elbow in, we come back, we come through. Because the most common problem we see in the bowling is what we call chicken wing. A lot of people call chicken wing with the elbow out. The ball's still close to the body, but the elbow's out. But what this does, it puts the hand on the side of the ball or the top of the ball. Now, with the elbow in, the hand can be behind the ball or around to the side of the ball, depending on what kind of release we want. So that's what we want to see, elbow in, here. All right, Annalise, if you get the swing trainer now. Now the swing trainer is designed for a smooth arm swing so that when we come back and come through, we keep it straight. She's going to demonstrate first an improper swing, which will show us the swing trainer flopping in the back swing and through the delivery point. All right, Annalise, go ahead. As you can tell, the pin's flopping at the top of her back swing, and at the bottom, this is incorrect delivery. Now then, what we want is we want to see the pin stay straight with the arm all the way through. In order to do this, we got to have a long, smooth motion with our arm swing with a slight hesitation at the top to produce that reaction. All right, Annalise. Here you see the pin staying straight in line with her arm, the rhythm of the arm swing, the straightness of it. That's what we're looking for. If you can complete this with the trainer and not have the pin flopping through the delivery, then you're doing well. And that's the purpose of the swing trainer. Okay, now that we've learned how to use the swing trainer, we're going to incorporate the alignment trainer for purposes to get our arm swing straight with the path of our delivery. Now, just because the swing trainer is done properly doesn't mean the arm swing's where it needs to be. Annalise is going to demonstrate that the arm swing can swing out to in and in to out, and the alignment trainer is going to show the path of the swing trainer and show you that it's off. Okay, Annalise? Here you can see her with the swing trainer coming in, going back, going out, coming down. That's not a good swing path right now. Okay? Now then, she's going to readjust herself in the swing trainer and keep it between the rods, showing the proper arm swing being a straight arm swing. As you can see, she's keeping the pin straight, nice smooth rhythm, and delivering the pin between the rods, which means that she's got a nice straight arm swing. Now her feet are positioned to where her slide foot is 5 boards left of the center of the alignment trainer. And everyone's different. Some people maybe 7 boards, 10 boards. Get with your coach, get with your pro shop operator, determine what point your lay down point is away from the center of your foot. That way you can position yourself properly to use these tools. One more time, Annalise, demonstrate the perfect swing, straight back, straight through, in time. There we have it. Now we're going to go to a full approach with the same tools. Now that we have learned to use the swing trainer along with the alignment trainer, we're going to incorporate the approach to the line using the 2 training tools. Annalise is going to go through her 5-step approach and swing the swing trainer through the rods that are on the alignment trainer. This is going to be a very difficult drill. First of all, we need to determine, do we end up at on the same board that we start from when we start and finish? Most people do not. So get with your coach, get with your pro shop operator, and determine if you end up further left on the approach, further right on the approach from the board that you start on, and make the adjustment with the swing trainer and the alignment trainer to how you go to the line. Okay, Annalise, if you would. There, you see the proper swing through the delivery between the rods as it should be. Now this is a drill that's not going to be done at 100%. Annalise is going at about 50%. She's had to come up on the approach from where she normally starts, but she's also sliding a foot behind where she would normally slide at the foul line. This is just a training tool. This is just a training to get it right. So again, Annalise, demonstrate one more time. She sets up, backswing, perfect. If you can learn to do this, you're going to get some very good accuracy and you're going to become a better bowler.
So if you're looking to get these and you want to use these tools to improve your game, along with other training tools that are available to you at eileensbowlingbuddies.com, go to eileensbowlingbuddies.com, use our promo code from the National Bowling Academy to get yourself a discount.